Essential oils have gained widespread popularity in recent years, especially in skincare routines. Extracted from various plants, these oils boast a wide range of therapeutic and skin benefits, helping individuals maintain youthful, glowing, and healthy skin. One of the standout products in this arena is MAJESTIC PURE Lavender Oil, a blend of Lavandula angustifolia from Bulgaria and Lavandula hybrida from France, which is renowned for its calming and healing properties. In this article, we'll explore essential oils for skincare, their benefits for sensitive skin, and how they can be incorporated into a holistic skincare regimen. What are essential oils exactly? Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts that retain the natural fragrance and properties of their source plants. These oils are typically extracted through steam distillation or cold pressing. The use of essential oils dates back centuries and is known for addressing a wide range of health and beauty needs. For skincare, essential oils can provide anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidants that fight free radicals, natural hydration, and aids in balancing oil production. One noteworthy example is MAJESTIC PURE Lavender Oil, a therapeutic-grade essential oil. It's steam distilled, offering a top note with a rich floral scent. The blend has a mellower and less camphoraceous fragrance, making it ideal for aromatherapy, but it's also highly beneficial for skincare. Best essential oils for sensitive skin. When choosing essential oils for skincare, it's crucial to select options that soothe rather than irritate. Some of the best essential oils for sensitive skin include 1. Lavender oil. Lavender oil, especially blends like MAJESTIC PURE Lavender Oil, is one of the most versatile and safe essential oils. It is known to soothe redness, reduce inflammation, and treat minor cuts and burns, making it perfect for sensitive skin types. Its calming aroma also helps in reducing stress, which can indirectly lead to better skin health. 2. Chamomile oil. Chamomile is another gentle essential oil, famous for its anti-inflammatory and calming effects. It's particularly effective for reducing redness and irritation, making it an ideal choice for people with rosacea or eczema. 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is popular for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. While it's powerful, it needs to be used in diluted form when applied to sensitive skin. It can reduce blemishes and combat acne-causing bacteria without drying out the skin. 4. Rose oil. Rose essential oil is packed with antioxidants and vitamins, making it an excellent option for sensitive skin. It helps hydrate and soothe the skin while providing a radiant glow. 5. Frankincense oil. Known for its skin regeneration properties, frankincense oil can help reduce the appearance of scars, fine lines, and wrinkles. Its anti-inflammatory benefits also make it suitable for sensitive skin. The holistic skincare benefits of essential oils. Using essential oils for skincare in your routine provides multiple holistic benefits. Moisturization. Essential oils like jojoba, rosehip, and lavender help lock in moisture and nourish the skin. Healing oils such as lavender and frankincense promote healing and reduce scarring or blemishes. Anti-aging. The antioxidants found in many essential oils help combat the effects of free radicals, promoting youthful skin. Balancing oil production. Oils like tea tree and jojoba oil can help regulate your skin's natural oil production, keeping breakouts at bay while ensuring your skin stays hydrated. Reducing inflammation. Oils such as chamomile and lavender are known for their ability to reduce redness, irritation, and inflammation. Case example: MAJESTIC PURE Lavender Oil. Lavender oil, when sampled on a test strip or tissue, has a strong floral aroma that opens up with a fruitier and mellower note. This oil not only helps calm the mind but also soothes irritated skin, making it an ideal addition to your holistic skincare routine. How to use essential oils for skin. To enjoy the benefits of essential oils, it's essential to use them correctly. Here's a quick guide. First, dilution. Essential oils are highly concentrated and should be diluted with a carrier oil, such as jojoba, coconut, or almond oil, before applying to the skin. A common ratio is 2 to 3 drops of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Next, topical application. After dilution, you can apply the essential oil blend directly to the skin. Massage it into your face or body, focusing on areas that need treatment, such as dry patches, acne, or wrinkles. Then, aromatherapy. Some essential oils like lavender have dual benefits when used in aromatherapy. Inhaling the oil's scent can relax your mind, which can positively impact your skin by reducing stress-related breakouts. Finally, bath soak. Add a few drops of your preferred essential oil to your bath for an all-over skin treatment. This method can hydrate, soothe, and detoxify your skin. Suggested essential oil blends for skin. For acne-prone skin, 2 drops of tea tree oil, 3 drops of lavender oil, and 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil. For dry skin, 3 drops of frankincense oil, 3 drops of rose oil, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. For sensitive skin, 2 drops of chamomile oil, 3 drops of lavender oil, and 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. For aging skin, 3 drops of rose oil, 2 drops of frankincense oil, and 1 teaspoon of rosehip oil. Additional resources. To further expand your knowledge of essential oils and their benefits, consider the following resources: Aromatherapy for Natural Skincare by Jade Schutz, and the Complete Book of Essential Oils and Aromatherapy by Valerie Ann Warwood. Cautions and essential oil safety. While essential oils can provide numerous benefits, it's important to use them safely. Here are a few tips. For external use only. Essential oils should not be ingested unless under the guidance of a qualified professional. Perform a patch test. Before applying any essential oil blend to your face or body, do a patch test by applying a small amount to your elbow to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Dilute properly. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil to avoid skin irritation. Avoid sensitive areas. Keep essential oils away from your eyes, ears, and other sensitive areas. Consult your doctor. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have any health concerns, consult a healthcare provider before using essential oil.